today I'm going to make a Lego truck. It has 8 wheels, a driver cabin, a backside opening over here to keep the things in, and it has a long truck. Today I'm going to make this now. Okay, first off you should take the base. There should be 2 bases and one separated over here. This one should be separated by 1 block. Now let's put the joining pieces. Take the back side and keep a 8-piece plate over here and join it. And keep another 8-piece plate over here and join another 8-piece plate over here. Now you should keep another 8-piece plate. After that you should actually keep a big piece plate. I don't know what piece plate is that, but now you should keep this big piece plate over here and join that in this place, and just a 12-piece plate over here. Now you have the joined bases. Now you have to do the back side first. Take a 8-piece brick and keep it over here, and a 6-piece brick. Do this the same time in the other side, and you should do 3 layers up. Okay, do another one. Another 8-piece plate over there, and a 6-piece plate, and a 8-piece plate over here, and another 6-piece plate. After that, in the other side over here, you should do that same thing. Do an 8-piece brick over there, and another 8-piece brick, and another 6-piece brick, and a 8-piece brick, and a 6-piece brick over here, and an 8-piece brick over here. And done. You should keep in this place 3 layers of 2-piece bricks or in this place. I thought of keeping windows, but it's okay because no one will be there. Even there, it's fine. Just keep this over here. And now you should add the roof. This place I will tell you what to do. Take a plate piece. Down here I kept it one right here, that big one. Keep the exact same one over here, and keep a 4-piece plate over here, and another 4-piece plate over here, and just keep an 8-piece plate over here, and an 8-piece plate. Take this piece over here, some kind of hanger piece thingy. After that, oops, get me that piece. Yeah, and you should keep it in the 8-piece plate over here, and take like flat tile thing over here, like hangs, and keep it over there and join it. You have the back opening thing I told you before. Oh, oops. Oh, yeah. Now it can open. That's the things you can now open. Now let's do the driver cabin. Start off with a door, obviously. Take this. Two white pieced 4 bricks. Join them, top of them, and in the bottom over here you should put a red color 4 pieced brick over here, and let's keep it over here. And now you should keep a 2 pieced brick over here and a window, of course. And I just piece fell down. Yeah. Now you should keep a 4 pieced plate over here. Another. Actually, 4 pieced plate over there, and keep a 2 pieced plate over here, and another 2 pieced plate over here again, and now you should keep another 2 pieced plate over here with a 1 pieced plate over here, and another 2 pieced plate over here, and a 1 pieced plate over here again, and a 2 pieced plate over here again. Yeah. And you need to keep a 3 pieced plate over here, and another 3 pieced plate over here. Now one minute. Now you should take this this lighter thingy on that place. Keep a stove thingy over here. After that, lights, 1 light and another one, and keep it over here. You should keep the glass over here, and first you should actually take the glass piece. Now you should put this some kind of steering wheel, not steering wheel, like something like some kind of controller thingy, I don't know. But now keep the glass over here back again, and keep 2 pieces like this on top of them. 8 pieced plates, and another 8 pieced plates on top of one. Now the other roof, you have to set this over here, and one 2 pieced plate over here, and actually I forgot to tell you, 8 pieced plate over here, and another 2 pieced plate over here. And you should take a 8 pieced plate over here and keep it. Now we should add tiles on the top of them. First, actually, you have to add the red ones. A 8 pieced red tile, another 8 pieced red tile, and a 4 pieced white tile, and a red 8 piece tile again here, and another red 8 tile over here. orange 8-piece tile over here, and the blue piece 8 tile. After that, another orange 8-piece tile, and my breath. After that, a gray color 8-piece tile over here, and another a 4-piece white color tile over here. I've got a 4-piece white color tile here and a 4-piece white color tile here, and I forgot you should have a 4-piece original like this thing, but in a pieced plate of a tile. You should keep it right over here in this corner, this place. Now take that off. Stuck. That's stuck. Put it back on. Now make the back. Now the back side, add a original Lego piece, a 4-piece, a brick over here, actually over here, and put wheels, not monster truck wheels, normal car wheels over here, and keep another like this over here. And you should keep another wheels over here and another, and keep again this thing over here, again this thing over here. Now just keep the wheels, wheel, and we are finally done with the Lego truck. This is the Lego truck. And bye guys, see me in the next video. Bye. Hey Lego man, do you want to ride this truck? Yes, I want to. Okay, you want? Go. Sit up here.